What was the first tip? Be authentic. That was the first tip. Be authentic self. Be confident and be confident and genuine in your interactions. Okay, you don't have to fear. Show some fear to mm, your partner. You don't have to fear him or her. Falling in love is a complex and natural process, and it's important to approach a relationship with respect. Sorry. Communication and honesty. Show interest in his life. Ask questions. That is the tip number 2. Show interest in his life, ask questions, and listen actively to what he has to say. Okay, find common ground. That's tip number 3. Find common ground, share hobbies, be interests or values to create a bond. Okay, guys, don't let your relationship relationship fall apart. I'm here to give you all the tips. Be supportive. Support each other, guys. Support each other. Being financially or giving knowledge, helping in work. Support each other. Encourage and celebrate his achievements, his or her achievements. Okay, like today I have my birthday. Like this month I'm celebrating my birthday. I'm celebrating my 1K. So my friends, my viewers, you have to be supportive also. You support me. Okay, you have to support me and we celebrate together. Is that okay? We celebrate together. Encourage and celebrate his achievements. Yeah, that was the tip number 4. Respect boundaries. Mm, that is the most thing in relationship you have to do. Respect someone's boundaries. You got to. You prioritize. Oh, prioritize. This is too much English. Prioritize consent and health communication. The English is too much. This word special this English is too much for me. I'm sorry. Prioritize. Yes, that word. Prioritize. You know, I ate my school fees, my tuition. That's why I can't pronounce some words. Prioritize. Prioritize. Oh, oh my God. The consent and healthy communication. Just stop making. Stop making me laugh. Oh my You think I'm lying? This English